Hello, superstars. How are you? Today, we're going to learn the different sounds the letter E makes. Did you know letter E makes two sounds? The letter E says its name E, E, when it's happy and free. And when it is sad, the letter E says a short sound. Eh, eh, when it is sad and locked up. When is the letter E happy? The letter E is happy when it is the last letter in a syllable. When it is the last letter, it is free and can easily go out. So the letter E is. Look at this word. You see letter E is the last word. It is free and can easily go out. So it makes the sound E, E, because the letter E is happy. This is called an open syllable. Now, let's blend this word. E, he. Good job. When is the letter E sad? The letter E is sad when it is not the last letter in a syllable. It has a consonant blocking it. Look at this word. Letter E is not free. Letter N is blocking letter E from going out. So letter E is sad and it's making the sound eh, eh, eh. This is called a closed syllable. So now we are going to blend this word. Repeat after me. E, n, hen. Good job. So remember, the letter E says its name. E, E, in an open syllable. The letter E says a short sound. E, in a closed syllable. So now we're going to blend more words in a closed syllable and in an open syllable. Repeat after me as we blend together. See this word. You see letter E is free to go. So letter E is happy. And to make the long sound E, E. So now let's blend together. B, E, B. Good job. Now let's try to blend this word. Oops, letter E is now locked up by the letter N. So it will not go outside. And now it is sad. It's going to make a short sound. Eh, eh, eh. So now let's try and blend this word. Repeat after me. B, E, N, Ben. Good job. Now let's try to blend this word. Now letter E is free once again and can easily go out. There is no letter blocking it. So it's going to make the sound E. E. Now let's blend together. Repeat after me. Sh. E. She. Good job. Now let's try to blend this word. Oops. Letter E is locked by letter D. So it will not go outside and play. And now letter E is sad and we make the sound eh, eh, eh. So now let's blend it together. Repeat after me. Sh. Eh. D. Shed. Good job. So now we are going to read all the words in open syllable and closed syllable. He, hen, bee, ben, she, shed. Awesome work, superstars. Now you know the difference between an open syllable and a closed syllable. Remember, open syllable, vowel says its name. Closed syllable, vowel makes a short sound. That is all for today. Next time, we're going to learn the different sounds letter I makes. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.